As we close in on the end of another week, here's a reminder that I often have to share with myself and others. And it's kind of based on a post that I did earlier this week, where I show a lot of the failures that I have come across throughout this journey that I've taken to be on the season 17 of American Ninja Warrior. And it's about perfection and how you don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep moving forward, whether it's in business, in health, and leadership. It's easy to get caught up in chasing perfection, but really growth comes from showing up consistently and learning from those bumps and staying committed to the process. It's important to, celebrate those small wins and learn from the setbacks and keep the bigger picture in focus. So, whatever your goals, personally or professionally, forward is forward. Wishing you a strong finish to the week. Let's keep moving forward with purpose.